What's up YouTube and welcome back to Cook with FMYT. Oh my god! Now today's video is going to be a Halloween special video. Alright, so rate the fit, alright? It's Scooby-Doo, it's tribute. It's tribute to my hold on. It's tribute to my dog Collie. But we are making something quick for Halloween. If you got a party going on, knowing you ain't going anywhere. But today we are going to be making yummy mummy dogs.
Today's video, Mummy Dogs, Halloween special with Cook with FamYT.
I'm dressed like a bum right now, so I gotta change the fit. Alright, so before we begin, didn't I throw you out?
Looking at me like this and the things I'll do to you.
I've come to celebrate Halloween.
Alright, what do we just stay away from me? Anyway, as you can tell, alright, it's very Halloween themed. Alright, my mom, she did a bunch of this, or pretty much everything. Let's begin with the ingredients. Alright, so for the ingredients, you're going to need 2 Pillsbury dough croissants.
Are you going to finish that croissant?
And wait, hey, what? Give me that. Man, I told you to stop doing that. So we're gonna need weenies, because this is the main ingredients. Alright, I had it upside down. Ignore that. So we're gonna need weenies, alright? And if I open my book, now I know a lot of you guys don't like to read, but just you're gonna open this and you're gonna get googly eyes. Do not eat regular googly eyes. Eat candy googly eyes, alright? Kidding, these are real eyes. These are the eyes of my enemies. Alright, so now that we got rid of the purpose of this book, no one likes to read. And then you're gonna get butter, which you're gonna melt just a little bit so you can coat the dough. Alright, so for the tools, you're going to need a pizza cutter, cutting scissors.
Are you slow?
Kitchen scissors, alright? And then you're going to need a cooking sheet. After that, you're going to need parchment paper. Now, before we begin, as everyone knows, every good chef must wash his hands. If you don't, nasty. Right here. Alright, enough playing with weenies. You're gonna grab the scissors and you're just gonna cut it. I mean, you could use your mouth. I mean, hands. It doesn't really. Just open the bag of weenies, right? And then you're going to get your croissants, all right? And you're just gonna pop it open, all right? No. How do you open it? Say it pops, but I never actually like. Yeah. All right, so you're gonna get the Pillsbury dough and you're gonna unravel it, all right? So you're gonna unravel it on the parchment paper. So what you're gonna do is, I messed up there because I realized you're not gonna have as many if you do it like that. You're going to rip out a piece, right? You see these pieces? And then once you rip these pieces out, right? You're just gonna cut it on the edge. So you get more and you just do it for each piece. So once you cut out all the pieces and they look like this, you're gonna grab the weenie. You're gonna start from the bottom because that's where you're gonna need your eyes, okay? This part might be too thin, but look, so you're gonna tangle it. It doesn't go all the way, you're just gonna grab another one, okay? And you just do it until you get, like, look, just watch, okay? So right here is where the eyes are gonna go. So you're gonna not go there. Right? And you're just gonna do it like, you're gonna do it like this, okay? You're gonna do that for all the weenies. They don't have to be perfect. Are mummies perfect? No, they're dead, ugly, and horrendous, all right? Just like you. Alright, so you're gonna put it on a cooking sheet, right? Make sure you put oil so it doesn't stick. And you're just gonna do it for all the weenies you want. After you got all your weenies in a cooking sheet, right? We even made a bit of the croissants because we had some dough left. You're not gonna need 2. You just need 1, depending on how many weenies you have. Alright, I know a lot of you guys like weenies. Yo, what the? So you're gonna get 1 tablespoon of butter, right? And you're just gonna microwave it for about 30 seconds. Okay, so you're gonna put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds, your butter should be completely melted, and you're gonna get a brush, and you're just gonna brush each weenie. Look, you're gonna grab the brush, and you're just gonna lightly tap all of them. All right, Cook with Famers. So you're gonna get your weenies, right? And you're gonna put it in the oven, right, for 15 to 30 minutes at 375 degrees. Okay, so that's how it should look like. My mom is not gonna let me get it, so she's gonna be the one getting it. They smell. If you do have a cooling rack, you do want to transfer it to it. So, all right, so the butter you have left, you're just gonna spread it a bit on all of them. These are the dipping sauces that will work best, in my opinion, with the wieners. So this is the finished product, and for the googly eyes, you're just gonna grab, right, 2 from the box of googly eyes, edible googly eyes, and you're just gonna put them on.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
All right, so the weenies are hot, and I did take a bite and burnt my mouth. So let's try it again, okay? So we're gonna go sriracha. Sorry, I mean sriracha mayo. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment what you guys want next, and I'll see you in the next video. Sorry I haven't posted for like 3 months. That's my bad, all right? Thank you for watching. Thank you for getting me to 218 subscribers. Happy Halloween. That was a good video.
Hey boy.
Huh?
Now that the video is over, I say we have a chat. I didn't like when you threw me away.
Bro, you're all talking, no game. You just sit there and do nothing.
Is that so?
Yes, bro, really. Like, scrap. Like, come on. Come on, bro.
Asked for it.
Oh, crap.
Thank you all for watching. Happy Halloween.
Coco.